Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa and today I want to show you how to create a new dynamic field. Right now I'm in a campaign and when I click on the personalize on dynamic fields here on the left, I get the dynamic fields. We don't have one yet, so we're going to create a new one. We click on the right here on add dynamic field, and for this example I will create a store name. So you can ask your participants for the store name. Store name. You can select to use it in the onboarder. If you use this, the participant will get this field and fill it in the onboarding process. You can select or type the question you want to ask in the onboarder. What is your store name? In this field, you can select the type. So we have text, email, phone number, but also image or video. For this field, we use the text. We can select if it's required or not. And we have a fallback value. If they don't fill it in, the fallback value will show. So I call the fallback value show. When we click on create, we created our dynamic field. I will show you in another video how to use this dynamic field. Thank you for watching.